In this training, we'll cover the filling and safety procedures for pump and motor style liquid propane storage tanks. After you have properly secured your forklift, remove the tank from the forklift, you've inspected the tank for damage and certification, and check to make sure there is no source of heat, spark, or flame, then proceed with the first step. Number 1. Open the 20% fixed outage gauge valve on the forklift tank being filled. Number 2. Connect the fuel transfer hose to the forklift tank fill valve. Number 3. Make sure the valve at the bottom of the large fueling tank is open and that the lever at the end of the trip chain is in the open position. Number 4. Open the valve at the end of the transfer hose. Number 5. Turn the pump to the on position and fill the container until liquid appears and discharges in spurts from the 20% outage gauge. That's how you know your tank is full. Number 6. Turn the pump to the off position. Number 7. Close the valve at the end of the transfer hose. Number 8. Close the 20% outage gauge on the filled forklift container. Number 9. The transfer hose is equipped with a bleeder valve. Open it now and bleed the trapped liquid. Number 10. Disconnect the transfer hose from the filled forklift tank and hang the hose on the hanger or where you would normally store it safely. Number 11. Close the main valve under the storage tank. Make sure no propane leaks are present and everything is secured. And always remember, if you accidentally overfill a tank, especially to the point where the pressure relief valve blows, do not attempt to use that tank until it's been recertified by Ted Johnson Propane. You can contact us anytime. We're here to help. Now you're ready to properly place the filled forklift tank back on the forklift, reconnect your fuel line, and observe safe forklift procedure.